La 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 la. Yeah. See if I can do this. Let's see what I'll go on with this. No? Is it gonna work, people? Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful world. Hakuna Matata. All I need is a hot girl. There's no worries. Well, we have courage again. It's not gonna work at all. Hakuna Matata. Alright. So we have cane. We have pine. And I have my shirt. Show how it's done, guys. You wanna see how it's done? You wanna see how it's done? Show you how it's done.
Take your shirt, make bag.
Real countryman style. You see how it's done?
Please.
You wanna see how it's done? That's how it's done. Cool, Mama Tata. Jaja, is this a shirt you may wear? No, sir?
Yeah, the bamboo dirty it up, so.
See how it's done? Want to see how it's done? Okay, son. Let's see how it's done. Let me see how it's done. When we're living in the sun. This is how it's done. What you said you wanted to see how it's done? Hmm? I know the people them said, Jaja, Randy, are really countryman?
Mm-hmm.
I never know. I think say I just joking my joke.
So man, you're serious, yeah?
You want to see how it's done?
Serious thing.
That's how it's done, my girl. See it there?
Let me hold your hat here. Let me carry the hat, please.
You think this is a joke movie? If I step on them, I eat them now.
We're going to carry at least one cup, so. Or two. Oh, we should have had a whole bunch for Mom then.
What? You want to get more for Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Or you going to bring them?
You know the hat?
No, you going to take off your...
You know what? I have in my
Shirt.
bag. I have in my bag.
You have what?
In my bag.
You have a bag?
I have them in my bag.
You put them in your bag?
Mm-hmm. I have some already. We don't have to go pick anymore. Let me see the face, Jano.
All right.
Them over there.
That's how it's done. Hmm?
Whew.
That's how it's done, right? I mount up the donkey.
Mm-hmm.
I mount up the donkey. And don't call me no donkey, no. My family wouldn't like
I haven't
that.
said that word ever yet. I'll know today. Yesterday, tomorrow. And I say it, I'll know. Hey,
You ready?
load them up.
You see the thing about loading, once you put it on, take it off, you walk slow, one step at a time.
Okay.
You ever hear your donkey bray yet? When they see load, they go. Then go, arf, arf. Comfortable. Alright, pass the
Bill.
pass the hat, please. Put the hat on the string. You good otherwise?
Yep.